Chapter 13. Linking Data and Spreadsheets. Linking data and spreadsheets in LibreOffice Calc refers to the process of establishing connections between different sheets or files to share and synchronize data. This allows users to create dynamic relationships between datasets, enabling changes made in one location to automatically update in linked locations. Setting up multiple sheets. Multiple sheets help keep information organized. Once you link those sheets together, you unleash the full power of Calc. When you open a new spreadsheet, it has, by default, only one sheet named Sheet 1. Sheets in Calc are managed using tabs at the bottom of the spreadsheet, as shown in the figure below. Inserting new sheets. There are several ways to insert a new sheet. The first step, in all cases, is to select the sheet that will be next to the new sheet. Then do any of the following. Select Insert Sheet from the menu bar, or right-click on the tab and select Insert Sheet, or click the Add New Sheet button, shown with a plus symbol, at the bottom of the screen before Sheet tabs. See figure alongside. The last method adds a new sheet after the current sheet, whereas the first two methods open the Insert Sheet dialog. Here you can choose to put the new sheet before or after the selected sheet and how many sheets to insert. Renaming worksheets. Sheets can be renamed at any time. To give a sheet a more meaningful name, enter the name in the name box when you create the sheet, or right-click on a sheet tab, select Rename Sheet from the pop-up menu and replace the existing name. Referencing to other sheets in the same spreadsheets. On the summary sheet, we display the balance from each of the other sheets. If you followed the example above, the balance for each account will be in cell F3 in each sheet. There are two ways to reference cells in other sheets, by entering the formula directly using the keyboard or by using the mouse. We will look at the mouse method first. Creating the reference with the mouse. On the summary sheet, set up a place for all 5 account balances so we know where to put the cell reference. Figure 6 shows a blank summary sheet. We want to place the reference. To make the cell reference in cell B3, select the cell and follow these steps. 1. Click on the = icon next to the input line. The icons change and an equals sign appears in the input line as shown below. 2. Now, click on the Sheet tab for the sheet containing the cell to be referenced. In this case, that is the checking account sheet as shown below. 3. Click on cell F3, where the balance is, in the checking account sheet. Return to the original sheet. The phrase, checking account F3 should appear in the input line as below. Creating the reference with the keyboard. From the above figure, you can deduce how the cell reference is constructed. The reference has two parts, the sheet name and the cell name. In the above figure, the reference is $checkingaccount.f3 and in general the format is sheetname.cellReference. So, you can fill in the savings account cell reference by just typing it in. Assuming that the balance is in the same cell in the savings account sheet, F3 the cell reference should be savingsAccount.f3. See figure below. Referencing other sheets in different spreadsheets. John decides to keep his family account information in a different spreadsheet file from his own summary. Fortunately, Calc can link different files together. The process is the same as described for different sheets in a single spreadsheet, but we add one more parameter to indicate which file the sheet is in. Working with hyperlinks. Hyperlinks can be used in Calc to create spreadsheets that will be used in a web interface or to jump to a different location from within a spreadsheet. This section covers inserting, editing, removing, and using hyperlinks. Inserting hyperlinks. When you type text, such as a website address or URL, that can be used as a hyperlink, LibreOffice formats it automatically, creating the hyperlink and applying to the text a color and underlining. If this does not happen, you can enable this feature using tools, autocorrect options, and selecting URL recognition. The top right part of the dialog changes according to the choice made for the hyperlink type. A full description of all the choices and their interactions is beyond the scope of this chapter. Here is a summary of the most common choices used in presentations. For an internet type hyperlink, choose the type of hyperlink, choose between web, FTP or telnet, and enter the required web address, URL. For a mail type hyperlink, specify whether it is a mail or news link, the receiver address, and for email, also the subject. For a new document type hyperlink, specify whether to edit the newly created document immediately or just create it, edit later, and the type of document to create, text, spreadsheet, etc. For a presentation, edit now is the more likely choice. The Select Path button opens a directory picker. The Further Settings section in the bottom right part of the dialog is common to all the hyperlink types, although some choices are more relevant to some types of links. Set the value of frame to determine how the hyperlink will open. This applies to documents that open in a web browser. Form specifies if the link is to be presented as text or as a button. Figure below shows a link formatted as a button. Removing hyperlinks. To remove a hyperlink, select it and press the delete key. The delete dialog opens if it is a text hyperlink. Types of hyperlinks. Hyperlinks can be saved as either absolute or relative. An absolute hyperlink says, "Here is how to get there from this known starting point," and a relative hyperlink says, "Here is how to get there starting from where you are now." To change the way that LibreOffice saves the hyperlinks, choose Tools, Options, Load Save, General, and choose if you want URLs saved relative to the file system, to the internet, or both. Calc always displays an absolute hyperlink. Don't be alarmed when it does this when you have chosen a relative hyperlink. Linking to external data. You can insert tables from another document into a Calc spreadsheet. You can do this in two ways, using the external data dialog or using the navigator. If your file has named ranges or named tables, and you know the name of the range or table you want to link to, using the external data dialog method is quick and easy. However, if the file has several tables and you want to pick only one of them, you may not be able to easily determine which is which. In that case, the navigator method may be easier. Using the external data dialog. 1. Open the spreadsheet where the external data is to be inserted. This is the target document. 2. Select the cell where the upper left-hand cell of the external data is to be inserted. Using the navigator. 1. Open the LibreOffice.org Calc spreadsheet in which the external data is to be inserted, target document. 2. Open the document from which the external data is to be taken, source document. Choose Web Page Query, LibreOffice.org Calc, as the file type. Linking to registered data sources. You can access a variety of databases and other data sources and link them into Calc documents. First, you need to register the data source with LibreOffice.org. To register means to tell LibreOffice.org what type of data source it is and where the file is located. To do this, 1. Select Tools, Options, LibreOffice Base, Databases. The Options, LibreOffice Base Databases dialog box appears. 2. Click the New button to open the Create Database Link dialog box as shown in the figure given below.